If you want to know how I got my face from looking like this to looking like this, then I suggest you keep on watching. So this is my morning skincare routine. So I start off with this skin scrubber from Touch Beauty, and I use this to get rid of my blackheads and excess oil and all that stuff. You have to make sure that your face is wet before doing this because it can definitely irritate your skin if it's just rubbing on a dry surface. It's also recommended that you use a face steamer, but we don't have that right now. So just wet the face with hot water if you have it. If not, just make sure it's wet. For the most part, I use this on my nose, but I also use it on my chin, my cheeks, my forehead, under my chin because I realized some bumps were under there. But yeah, moving on. Honestly, use whatever cleanser works for you, but this is the one that I always use, the Biore Rose Quartz Cleanser, or I just use the black charcoal one. I wash my face for at least a minute before washing it off, and I always use a paper towel or I let it air dry. Never use rags or towels on your face. I then go in with the niacinamide brightening toner from Good Molecules, and you can either use a cotton pad or your bare hands. These days I prefer my bare hands. Let it dry down and then go in with your moisturizer. Mine is from The Ordinary. All products will be in the caption, and also some of them will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so check the link in my bio or check the skinfairy.ja on Instagram. Let that dry down, and then we're gonna go in with sunscreen. Put 2 whole fingers worth of sunscreen on your face. I know it might look like a lot, but it's not. And that's pretty much it. This is what my skin looks like in artificial lighting versus what it looks like outside. Not perfect, but getting there.